Civic and Ethical Education Exam Question with Answer. Question 1. Of the following, which one is among the prerequisites for political, social, and economic development of a country? A. Rule of law. B. Transfer of power. C. Periodic election. D. Multi-part system. The answer is A. Question 2. The state whereof religion and state are separate is called A. Erastian. B. Theocratic. C. Secular. D. Neutral. The answer is C. Question 3. The member of the House of Federation of FDRE are elected by the A. Regional State Council. B. Executive the regional state. C. Presidents the region. Question 4. Who has the power to introduce laws at regional state level in FDRE? A. State Administration. B. State Council. C. State President. D. State Supreme Court. The answer is B. Question 5. Which of the following group of people were considered inferior to other in the traditional Ethiopian society? A. Priests. B. Teacher. C. Farmer. D. Singers. The answer is D. Question 6. The most vocal opposition to the regime of Haile Selassie I particular during its last stage came from A. General officers in the army. B. Dissatisfied ordinary peasants. C. Industrial worker and teacher. D. Students and the educated elite. The answer is D. Question 7. How many seats shall be reserved for all minority nationalities and people in the House of People's Representatives as provided by the FDRE Constitution? A. 40 seats. B. 20 seats. C. 30 seats. D. 10 seats. The answer is B. Question 8. Who is sources of the legitimate power of the FDRE? A. The Parliament. B. Supreme Court. C. The people. D. The Army. The answer is C. Question 9. Which of the following for the purpose of health? 10. Aviation. B. Organization.